Hi, and welcome to Tough Top Awnings.
Today we'll be changing out a Girard Slide Topper. This model of Girard is from 2020. It has changed and now comes on the outside of the slide out versus directly on the side of the coach.
For this project you'll need a couple ladders, a drill, vice grips, dry lubricant, a large screwdriver, and a straight pick. Let's get started. Start by removing the screw on the coach side that secures the fabric to the coach. Next we go to the inside of the end cap to remove the two screws that hold the end cap on each side. Now that should come right off. Now using a pair of vice grips, unwind the material and align the hole in the roller tube for the removal of the existing material. Next use your drill to put a hole through the end cap in the roller tube. After all the fabric is unrolled from the roller tube, secure the tube with a straight pick. Now be sure to remove the screws in the material on the roller tube on each side. These are in place for shipping only and don't need to be reinstalled. Now you're all set to remove the old material. Be sure to use a dry lubricant to clean and help the installation of your new Tough Top awning material. Using a large screwdriver, expand the entry point on the coach for the new material and hit that channel with some of that lubricant. Start on the coach side and start installing your new material a few feet down on your coach. Now start on the roller tube side. You can do this by yourself by feeding the material a couple of feet at a time on alternative sides. However, a buddy could help by pulling the material while you guide it in. All finished putting on that new material? Remove the straight pick and let the new material roll up on the roller tube. Run that slide in and out a couple of times to be sure the new material is straight and rolling correctly. Now go ahead and put those end caps back on. Reinstall the screws that secure the end cap on each side. One last step, reinstall the screws on the coach side, securing your fabric. And we are done. Thanks for watching. To see our entire library of how-to videos, learn about our products, and follow us on social media, be sure to go to www.toughtopawnings.com.